Hello students, in previous lecture we had discussed different types of drainage system of a building, also the layout of drainage system of a building. And in this lecture we are going to discuss the different sanitary fittings and fixtures of a building. So generally the different sanitary fittings and fixtures we provide in our kitchen, bathroom or toilets, also provided in school or also in other buildings. Many people confuse the words or the difference between the plumbing fixtures and plumbing fittings. So let us discuss what is plumbing fixture and what is plumbing fittings. So plumbing fixtures. A plumbing fixture is a part that is connected to a plumbing system and carries water through a building. The most common plumbing fixtures are bathtubs, sinks, showers, tubs, toilets and taps. While a fixture can be fixed into walls or to the floor, a fitting is an item that can be hung by a hook, screw or nail. So this is the basic difference between the fixture and fittings. Then plumbing fittings. The term sanitary fittings or plumbing fittings is used to indicate in its broad sense all the fittings required in house drainage for the efficient collection and removal of wastewater from the house to the house drain. Various types of pipe fittings are available in plumbing systems for different purposes and functions. A pipe fitting is used in the plumbing system to join multiple pipes of same size or the different sizes to regulate the flow or to measure the flow of sewage. Basically, they are made up of different materials like copper, iron, brass, PVC, etc. So there are many different kinds of fittings made from a variety type of materials. So as per our requirement, we fit the types of plumbing fittings or sanitary fittings. For a building, the plumbing system should be designed in such a way that water is distributed uniformly throughout the day. So during the construction or during the laying of sewer pipe or drainage pipe or plumbing system of a building, we have to take care of it that the water must be distributed uniformly throughout the day without any blockage or without any interruption. And it should be ensured that a combination of fittings and fixtures is selected in such a way that uniform supply of water and discharge of water is maintained. So now we discuss some examples of sanitary fixtures, also some fittings. So water closet or WC, it also known as in short form WC. So the water closet is defined as a sanitary fitting or fixtures which is designed to receive human excreta directly from the person using it. And also the room in which it is installed is sometimes referred by the term water closet or WC also. It is connected through a suitable trap to the soil pipe and finally to a municipal sewer or septic tank. So there are two types of water closet basically, Indian type or squat toilet, number 2 European type or flush toilets. So let us discuss one by one. First is Indian type or squat toilet. This is the most common toilet is used in our nation in which water carries the waste into the sewer. And it is usually made up of porcelain and the pan and the trap are in two different pieces. The trap has an opening for anti-siphonage pipe and the pan has a flushing rim to spread the flush water. The excreta do not fall directly into the trap and thereby chances for excreta to become foul if not properly flushed. It is fixed in squatting or sitting position at floor level as shown in the figure. A pair of foot rest is also provided sometimes for convenience. It requires at least 10 liters of water for proper flushing. And this is the total cross section of Indian type water closet. The overall length of Indian type water closet varies from 450 mm to 675 mm. The width near one end is about 150 mm and it is increased to about 2 to 5 mm to 280 mm near the other end. And the overall height including the trap is about 400 mm to 500 mm. So this much about Indian type, and the second one or second type of water closet is European type or flush toilets. The most common design in Western countries is the sitting toilet. Flush toilets are still used by the majority of the world's population. This type European type, it is usually made up of porcelain and the pan has a flushing rim to spread the flush water. Also a cover is provided at its top. The excreta fall directly into the trap and with a good flush of water the pan remains in clean position, and this is the cross section of this type of flush toilet. So the overall length varies from 500 mm to 600 mm and the height varies from 350 mm to 400 mm. The pedestal type European water closet is commonly used. It is also sometimes referred to as the commode type water closet or WC. So this figure shows the working of a water closet, how it works. There are some requirements for a good type of water closet. So let us discuss. So following are the requirements of a good type of water closet. First is it should be convenient in use for persons of different age group. The flushing should effectively be achieved with small quantity of water. The urine should not be splashed outside the pan and the surface of the pan should be smooth, durable and appearance should be attractive and should be such that excreta do not stick to it and flow down easily. Also, the water of trap should not be splashed when excreta fall into the trap. So these are the basic requirements of a good water closet. Then number 2, urinals. So basically these are designed to accept and dispose the liquid human waste only. The types of urinals are number 1 ceramic slat type or stall type and number 2 bowl type or slab type. The slab type is cheaper than the stall type, but it does not provide the same degree of privacy. The installation of ceramic bowl type urinal which have less fouling area than the slab and stall urinals. This is a figure which shows the stall type urinals with 3 units. This is the total schematic diagram showing functions of urinals. So, the bowl type is used for private buildings generally and the stall type is adopted for public buildings. The usual center to center spacing of units is about 600 mm. The contents of urinals are collected and discharged into the soil pipe through floor or non-heat trough. The urinals are generally provided with automatic flushing cisterns which operate at intervals of 10 to 15 minutes. Also, an anti-siphonous pipe is provided for urinals located on different floors and connected to a common soil pipe. So this much for this class. In next class, we will proceed with some other types of plumbing fixtures, also with some plumbing fittings. Thank you.